In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconnect with the pages and profiles that you recently unfollowed, okay? This will enable you to see their post in your feed, okay? And remember to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistake, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Click on the Facebook application, then refresh your profile, okay? And please, if you find this video helpful, just give me a like, okay? Because it really motivates me. Then click on your profile picture, okay? Then you will see the gear icon here on the top right. Just click on it. Then you'll want to scroll down until you see content preferences here. Content preferences. You see various options here for seeing favorites, snooze, unfollow, and reconnect. But this is the button that we are interested in. This reconnect button. Click on it. Okay. Then you will see the pages that you recently unfollowed. Okay. For instance, here John Millionaire was unfollowed on June 2025. I can follow him back. Okay. With this, I'll be able to see his posts.